So my teeth have started to get bad over the years, and I don't know where it was I came across the Pop on Veneers ad. It was one of the social media apps. You know how that goes. And I was a little skeptical, but I knew that I needed to do something because my teeth were just getting worse and worse. And yeah, it's been kind of a life-changing thing. Let's show you the mold. So that's with my pop on veneers on the mold. That's the mold itself. That'll tell you something. That's just the top arch. Just the top arch. I'm really leery of showing what they look like, but that's my teeth now, or before. And here we go. Oh, man. You just can't even imagine. You can't imagine the confidence boost that gives me. Being able to smile, it's just amazing. Thank you, Pop On. I appreciate it so much for what y'all done for me.